So Ted, this video's for you. Last week I showed up and your dad was just about he had the top end together and he was adjusting the valves, but then now I show up and the top end's off. So Senior, we got 2 minutes to bore Ted with. Why is the top end off of the engine?
Because I put the head on.
Okay. Well, you put the head on.
180 degrees off.
So was the head off or was it the piston?
The piston was off.
All right, so you put the head on correctly, but the piston...
I had the piston off, and the valves wouldn't clear the head.
Right, so this would be the intake side here. So this side was on this side. Yeah. So then when the engine turned over...
Exhaust is on the bottom.
Okay. Because he's probably only... Well, you did my other 350 motor, but it's little shit like this that causes so much pain. And Ole's laughing about it now, but I'm sure he wasn't laughing about it before. No, but look at this. He's whittled down his Harley nut and washer collection down to this.
This is the last
but once again, Ted, I don't know how your dad's mind works, but I look down and I see this, the oil lines, and a rocker here. He must know where everything goes.
Yeah.
So, you know, it almost looks like you could convert it to be a V-twin. So there you go, Ted. Hopefully you're sunning and funning. And then here's the bike that I rode. Here's the bike that I rode to Seniors. So it's the 68 Sears 250 Twingle. It's the Pooch. And it's a homely thing. But this is what I'm going to ride on the river run with the Antique Motorcycle Club, and we're going to drag your dad along, probably with that bike. So there's your old man ruminating.